Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my delicious pot roast. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by seasoning our beef chuck with your favorite seasoning. This happens to be mine. And you can cut it into small pieces or just leave it as a whole. Make sure that it gets nice and coated all around. So I'm going to be using about half of the packet and the rest is going to go in the pot. And of course, if you don't want to use a seasoned packet, you can always just season it with salt and black pepper. Once ready, we can begin to sear it. Okay, moving to our stove, we're going to preheat our oven to 325 degrees. Once we have that going on, we're going to grab our Dutch oven, set it on high heat, cover the bottom with oil, and just allow it to heat up. Okay, and once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to begin to layer our pieces of meat or the whole beef chuck. Just make sure not to overcrop them. So like that, they can sear all nice and even. Okay, after the minute, I'm going to flip my pieces of meat over and allow that side to sear for another minute. Okay, and after the minute, we're going to remove all of our meat from the pot. Okay, and we continue to sear the rest of our meat. Okay, and once we have seared all of our meat, we're going to reduce the heat to medium. Make sure that you still have oil in your pot. And if not, just go ahead and add a little more. Okay, so now we're going to add our onion. Going to scrape the bottom of our pot. Okay, so now we're going to add our carrots and celery. Give it a couple minutes. And just make sure that the bottom of your pot is all clear. And you remove all of the burn bits. Okay, and after a couple minutes, we add our minced garlic. Give it about 30 seconds. Okay, now we're going to add our flour. Mix it. We're going to add our tomato paste. And just mix it. Now we add our beef stock. Make sure that everything is well mixed. And the tomato paste has dissolved. Okay, so once the tomato paste has dissolved and there's no clumps in our broth, we're going to add the remaining of our seasoning, if you're using it. Going to add my thyme. We're going to return our meat back into our pot. Mix it again. Going to add our bay leaf and bring this to a simmer. Alrighty, and once that comes to a simmer, we're going to turn it off, cover it, and transfer it to our oven. Alright, so now we're just going to allow it to roast for 2 hours. Okay guys, so after 2 hours, we're going to remove our pot from the oven. And this is what it looks like. And let me tell you that it smells delicious. So I'm just going to remove the bay leaf. Get rid of that. And we're going to remove all of our meat. But before you do that, make sure that your meat is nice and tender. As you can see, it falls apart. I'm just going to remove it from the broth. Okay, and I'm just going to skim the top of our gravy. Just so like that it's not so oily and it's more enjoyable. Okay, and I'm just going to pour it all over our meat. And once we have it, we can get ready to serve. Ready guys? And once we're ready to serve, I'm going to be serving in a bed of mashed potatoes. Just going to scoop my meat, place it on top. And I'm just going to garnish with a little parsley. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, so comforting. If you're looking for something savory and just perfect for this time of year, then this recipe right here, it's all you need. It's honestly full of flavor and just simply delicious. All I'm missing is the dinner roll, but I am so ready. So cheers and enjoy. It's honestly the best. So good. The meat, so tender, so flavorful. It's just perfection. And the best part, super easy to make. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my delicious pot roast. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you record this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.